Hey Hoon, how do you change the temperature in the Breville Barista Express?
Let me show you how to do it.
All right.
Want to follow me? First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut up the coffee machine first. And simply we are going to hold the program button, hold it down, turn on the power button. So right now we are set at default temperature. So now we are at the +2. Okay, so right now we are +2. So this is default temperature here. +2, +4, -2, -4 right here. So now let's say if you wanna temperature to -2. So press the -2. If you don't want that, if you want to go back to, let's say, +4 again, shut it off, hold down the program button, make sure you're going to hear the beep. So right now at -2, go to +4. As you can see, the program is not that difficult, but just make sure to the right of your machine is +2, +4. To the left of the machine is -2, -4. And then again, the default temperature is at the program button. So that's default temperature. For Breville, set default temperature as 200 degrees. So pretty much 202, 204. If you go to -2, so 198 to 196. So all depend on what kind of coffee beans you are brewing, and you can adjust your temperature from there. Anyway, if you have any question or comment, press down below, and see you guys next time.